That's the after. This is the before. Look at that. Shine. Okay, this is our collection right now. So what we're gonna do now is to clean the blades, to oil them. Let's get some oil. 4-in-1 oil. I'm gonna use 4-in-1 oil to oil the blades, and I'm using Flitz metal polish to polish the brass parts, and break-free CLP to oil the joints, the pivots, sa lubricant preservative. And I'm gonna touch up some blades with this one, the DMT, the diamond sharpener. All these are available at Forged PH. This is available at Forged. And now we do the cleaning and the lubing. Actually, they don't need much cleaning because I don't take them out. Really. Just a maintenance and stress reliever. Shake the flits. Put some on the rag. Just put them some here. What I can say with this Flitz polish is when you use it, it makes it really shiny. Actually, all metal polish can do that. But with this one, the Flitz metal polish does not have, as the packaging says, the Flitz metal polish does not have abrasive material. It's just chemicals, stripping off the oxidation from the brass or whatever material that you're cleaning. Okay, let's leave it there first. The Flitz set comes with all of these: the cleaning rag, the Flitz polish, the CLP, and the diamond sharpener. It's all in one package and here. And it's also called the Knife Restoration Kit. And I've been using this for a long time. Maybe a year. I'm trying not to polish this one. This is the 20-year-old, my personal Balisong from 20 years ago. I'll try not to polish this one. I will not polish that one. But I'm gonna lube it and oil it. This one I can polish. But it's stainless anyway. The 19cm from Ona is what I carry most of the time. It's small, it's light, and it's easily pocketable. Conversation piece. It's a conversation starter. What's that? It's a Balisong. Where's that from? It's from Batangas, Taal. I am Batangueño, actually. This one, let's polish it again. What's good about this Flitz polish is that you can polish other stuff. It easily takes off the oxidation from the brass parts. Look at this. Easy to clean it on the blade. Look how easy it is to polish. I'll clean this one side and then show you the other side to compare. Just buff it up. Oh wow. Look at that. Even the horse bone got shiny. So easy. That's the after. This is the before. See? Look at that. Before and after. Oh wow, that's dramatic. Before and after. Oh wow. Maybe I'll just clean one side so it's even more dramatic. Of course, you can do this with other polishes, but this one is just so convenient and easy to use. Let's polish this up. Oh wow, look at that. That's the after. This is the before. Look at that shine. Oxidation is gone. And it's polished and clean. And even look at this, even the copper pins, is this copper or brass pins? Maybe it's copper. It's got so shiny, it's blended into the brass. It's amazing. Let's see what it does to aluminum. I'm not gonna clean this one up so much because I wanted to have that old blade vibe. And oil it later. I guess you're wondering why I didn't clean this one, because it's because I wanted it to retain the old look. I don't want a shiny brass bolsters like this. I wanted to retain the old look. I wanted to remind me that this one is the first Balisong that I bought back in college. And it's still sturdy as heck. It's one heavy piece. And I'm just gonna oil it and just to use it. I've actually carried this, but it's kind of heavy. So, okay, I'm gonna polish the other ones before I oil it and store it. Oh wow, look at that. For the wood, I'm gonna use something different later. I will be using orange oil. Just gonna clean up first the brass parts. Oh wow. I'm sorry for the so much wowing, but I'm just really amazed with this system. What's nice about using a microfiber cloth is because it has some fur kind of stuff. It wraps around the thing that you're wiping. Unlike if you're using ordinary cloth, it's just flat on the surface. Okay, polishing done. Now it's time to oil these guys. First, let's put CLP on the pivots so that it slides more quickly. Here you go. Anyway, the CLP will protect and lubricate the joints. If you don't have CLP, of course you can use ordinary oil. They're shiny. This is one tricky Balisong, something that I do not personally want to flip because it's double-edged and I do not know how to flip double-edged Balisong without cutting my fingers off. This one is really loose, so it doesn't need actually to lube, but hey, we're here. Everyone deserves equal attention. Precision LP break free. Now it is time to oil the blades. These two are my favorite ones. The Ona and the old one, the 20-year-old. I don't know what to call this one. The 20-year-old Balisong. Both Labaha style. I like Labaha style because it's kind of subdued. Not really a threatening design. Not as threatening as this one, a pointy one. It's kind of general purpose and more, let's say, more pedestrian. Okay, oil the blades, oiling on the cloth, brisk wiping, just to protect it from further rusting. Maybe we can buff. Okay, there we go. It's not really coming off, but it's getting less. It's patina, or so they say. I want to keep the patina of almost 16 years of being stored, and I'm using it once in a while because it's kind of heavy. This one I do not use at all. I just keep it in the box because it's a gift. I don't want to lose it, and it's a vintage piece. This one I won't be using it. It's a conversation piece. I don't want to take it out because it's long. It's hard to, I don't know. I just don't want to take it out. I just keep this one and keep it shiny and keep it sharp. This one also, I'm gonna keep it in the box because it's a gift from an in-law, which has, those in-laws have already passed away. So it's gonna be an heirloom. We are done putting oil and lubricating the blades. Now we are going to put oil on the wood. 24. I'm going to use this, an orange oil polish. It penetrates and replaces your wood's natural oils. Okay, this is what the furniture guys use. Furniture collectors or the furniture makers. This is what they use to polish their wood. So I'm gonna use it on wood. Okay, so this is the unstained, unoiled wood. So let's put some oil on it. The oil just penetrates the wood and makes the grain pop out. That's the after. This is the before. See? Before, after. The oil really highlights the grain of the wood. After, before, before, after. Okay, let's oil this on the other side. There you go. So now we've polished everything. The last step, my last step usually, is since there are lots of orange oil left on the rag, I just rub everything on the other blades so that it's kind of coated with some thin coating of oil so that it will oxidize less. The brass will oxidize less. But sooner or later it's gonna oxidize. And it leaves an orangey scent on the blades. Okay, that's it then. Oh, I didn't use this. Anyway, maybe I'll just use this on this one, the 20 Balisong, kasi other ones don't need touch-ups actually. Just want to show you how I use this. Okay, maybe it did the trick. Let's see. It cuts better. Thanks, DMT. Thank you for watching Pinoy Blade Hunter. Until next video. Bye-bye!